and with improving regulatory landscapes like here in Florida, where we're able to offer advanced stem cell therapies. So by itself, TPE, or Therapeutic Plasma Exchange, is a pretty advanced medical treatment. I'm undergoing mine right now. But one of the exciting frontiers in longevity medicine is combining Therapeutic Plasma Exchange with other things like stem cell therapies or exosome therapies. The science behind these things continues to advance, and with improving regulatory landscapes like here in Florida, where we're able to offer advanced stem cell therapies, we can start to think about how to protocolize or best combine TPE with those things. As a general rule, TPE is used to kind of clear the system, reset the system, if you will, produce an optimal environment for stem cells or exosomes to work. So a lot of practices are starting to do, and one of the things we continue to research is doing Therapeutic Plasma Exchange and then following it up with stem cell therapies, exosomes, or both over time to optimize your health, longevity, and well-being.